How to lose weight by juicing. If you need to lose a few pounds in a hurry, going on a juice fast may be the answer. You can lose as much as 3 or 4 pounds in the first couple of days. Be aware though that a lot of the weight you are losing is excess water and therefore it is not sustainable. Weight loss gradually drops off to about 1 pound a day. Going on a weight loss juice cleanse diet is very similar to going on a detox plan. Instead of eating lots of raw fruit and vegetables, you are going to be drinking their juices. The idea is that you still get lots of vitamins and minerals whilst losing weight. But recent studies have shown that sugar is concentrating in fruit and to a lesser extent vegetable juices. So, you would actually be better eating the whole fruit and vegetable. Different juice recipes for weight loss include cucumber juice, tomato juice, carrot juice, and apple and celery juice. Some people add protein powder to the juice in order to make it more filling. Over the long term, you do not want to rely solely on juices. Your teeth will suffer due to the acid and sugar in the juices. You are not enough of the vitamins and nutrients you need for good health will be compromised. You should aim to improve your overall eating habits. By all means, try a juice diet for a couple of days to kickstart your weight loss. But developing a healthy lifestyle involves more than buying a juicer. You need to become more active to get those pounds shifted. Start with an exercise you enjoy and then vary the routine to prevent boredom settling in. Some exercises are better at fat burning than others, so it makes sense to try different activities. Instead of juices, you could choose to have soup several times a week. You can't have a packet or tinned soup though, as these can contain hidden fats and sugars, not to mention salt. By soups, we mean the homemade variety. Soups are made with vegetables and pulses, both key ingredients in a healthy lifestyle. Don't be tempted to add salt to your soup. Use herbs to flavor it instead. If the recipe calls for milk or cream, use skimmed milk or low-fat yogurt instead. And needless to say, you need to forget about eating bread with this soup. Drink plenty of water to keep your system hydrated. This is especially important when you suddenly increase the amount of fiber in your diet, as otherwise, you can end up constipated. You should be aiming for at least 8 glasses a day. Drinking lots of water will also help you to eat less, thus reducing calorie intake. Juice recipes for weight loss do work but are not a long-term solution. Thanks for watching. Why not leave a comment below and let me know what you think? And if you are seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.